Alright guys, getting ready to put that piece in. Got the old one unbolted here. Oh, kind of fell out. I'm gonna pull the wire through. Set that guy down. And then we got this guy. See if we can do this. Record and work on the wires. With a hole here. Through. Oops. So, there. That's gonna sit right in here, right there, all the way through until the rubber goes through the hole. Like that. And these wires can literally be put there, but I gotta get connectors, solder, heat shrink. Pull some of that back there. Get that screw set there. Go right there. Bolt that down. And like I said, get some solder ends on there, some heat shrink, get it up to the coil, and I'll get right back to you guys. All right guys, getting ready to put on the carburetor on the 62 Thunderbird. So got everything ready, gasket was good. I'll sit that like that. Washers and nuts on here. Alright guys, should be up and running in about 20-30 minutes. Just gotta put the throttle cable on, spring, make sure everything's nice and tight with the distributor, wired in, fuel line. See, I hear this thing purr a little bit later.
Right, so Burnsy's been going to town on this, as you guys have seen. I took the steel bushing out of the old Carb and I did press it into here. We are good to go. I'm gonna hook up our spring. He got rid of the zip ties. Oh, and I soldered these too. So he's gonna put that together in a little bit, get that on, and before you know it, we're gonna be firing this baby up. Burnsy,
what's up, buddy?
So we got I had you take the chingaderas here and drill it. Yeah. And put a cotter pin in it, so it's nice. Pull the rest of the zip ties off the rest of the way, because that looks like
I was going to.
Got our throttle linkage back hooked up. Got our choke all wired nicely. Got our Pertronix wired nicely. Got our distributor cap back nicely. Damn, boys.
You getting there?
We got a lot done. I got it. Oh, yeah. Thanks for helping me aim. Sometimes I don't point at what we're doing because I get talky. So you got the keys?
I do not.
Go get the keys.
All right.
And I think we'll start it. Oh, grab a can of Break 'em McLean too.
Yes, sir.
A fresh one with a straw.
Yes, sir.
Let's show you the magic trick. All right, so first order of business. Whenever I have a brand new carb, I try to fill the bowls Like a lot of guys promote gas. I just do it with a can of brake clean because it's got a little better. It's not going to cause detonation like ether will, so you're not going to spill it all over like you would with trying to dump gas. So I just kind of fill the bowls. Give me a second. Okay.
Ready?
Mr. Burnsy,
Yes, sir.
you wired everything right?
Yes, sir.
Hit it. Look at that. We got to adjust the choke a little. Probably want to get the higher end a little. But she fired right up. Now that we got her running reliably, we're gonna go ahead and park her for the night. Put the air cleaner on it, park her for the night. We'll try to cold start her in the morning, see how she does. We're gonna want to check the timing. We're probably gonna need to do plug the wires and all that. We can